Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with an update. Um, as per our discussion, I have added the comment box on the form and I have changed the drop down to the radio button. So this is more flexible and easy to select instantly on the screen. And then I think I have another idea that if you want me to sort it with alphabetically or something, or maybe this is the sequence of the department it's to it, you can keep it like that. So here is the note section, and if someone will add the note in here, those notes will be reflected within one cell again the same order. And then there is another part that I have to add the ABCD against the invoice number if there is more than one product. So yes, I have added the two as well. And this will be accommodated of more than 100, more than almost more than 200 of it with one in one go, which is not normally not possible. Okay, so now let me show you how it will work. How it will work. First of all, the first thing will be get activating. Get activated by the but as soon as the app will come in, this will get activated and a document will be generated with the new information in the PDF file. Let me delete all of these. Okay, and as currently we do not set up the app currently. So what we will do, I've given the extra control in here, so it will fill in the field which I just cleared it just to show you these fields. You can see KVC has been just arrived and it's filled. Now there is another option. It's working on the background because it has to take some updates and the sheet is a bit slow. I don't know for some reason, maybe because I'm recording the video. So yeah, it's taking a bit while. So now the second step is to generate the template. So I'll generate the template and then I'll scan the QR code and change the status and I'll add a comment on it and then I'll show you in here. This is being updated. Like as soon as I will scan the code and update the it will take around 15 to 20 seconds. You can see the code, the invoice number has also been changed. Okay, so I have scanned the code and I have entered I have changed the status. It will show you this is 2735B, which is there 2735B. This one. Okay, so we don't have any comment in it. If someone will add the comment, it will show in the second line. So currently we are updating this one 1194 and its status is pick up from supplier and I am changing it to ready for ship and there will be a comment in it as well. So I'm submitting it right now and it will take around 15 seconds to get updated. You can see the sheet has started updating because the data is in here now. As you can see the response will be there as well. Here is my response moving on to and ready for ship. And now this status will get updated on the master sheet and this one and this one. It will take around 50 seconds. For some reason, the file is a bit slow. Maybe I'm recording the video. So, yeah, I'll show you the result. Maybe you don't need to wait for it. Okay, so the status has been updated and the comment has been added as well. So, yeah, so to expedite this sheet, I'm making some tweaks as well. What I would suggest is that we should have. Is it possible that we can have a column where we can mark it like we are marking it with the PDF being generated with the QR code, which I just showed you here. So I want to have another control on this sheet where we can mark like this order has been completed and we don't need to run the calculation for this. If we will have less number of formulas, sorry, orders open, maybe 100 or 200, so that will be easy and we can and that will help us to minimize the number of formulas and the calculation and obviously that will expedite the sheet as well. So this will we can reduce the time which is around 15 seconds on my side, so maybe we can reduce it more. Once the order is complete we can mark it and then we don't need to reprocess that again. So the comment will be obviously opening only on the coming in the open orders only. So that's it from my side. I'll record a complete video, a detailed video, how you are going to use it, and I'll share the file with you so that you can have test it on. You can think through and you can test yourself as well. So that's it from my side. Looking forward for the review. Take care. Bye.